Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on a Monday, July the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. News of today, well, told you, today it's 275 days ago, another war started in, not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still going on. Yeah, all those poor people in Gaza, they moved from refugee camp to refugee camp. And yeah, no good words about the Israelis. Anyway, let's start with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle number 8863. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Number ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one, overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. Yeah. Here we have 4 O's. Yeah, here we have 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So if I place number 5 here, the fifth O, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Question is the columns. 4 columns. Or the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, we have this row and the last row. O 1 1 O 1 1 O 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Now we have 2 rows left or 2 columns left. Question is, this first column and that column. 1 1 1 1 O 1 1 empty box 1 1 empty box O. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Well, we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Monday.